Hi, welcome back to John's Mini Mechanics. And today we're going to be swapping out the 2065 Alpha Traxxas waterproof micro servo for the TRX4M steering servo, which is a 2065 Romeo Metal Gear waterproof servo. So this is a DOA servo. So 2 servos DOA from Traxxas. So I've only got rear locking. Yesterday in the video I had 0 locking differentials because my transmitter was set up for momentary instead of selectable on that, and so every time I pressed it, it would only be momentary locked, and the front wasn't even locking. It's not doing what it needs to do. So we're going to swap out the slow servo for the front differentials, front diff locker. All right. You know, I'm not too upset about having 2 dead servos. Well, this one's just an ugly servo, noisy servo. I can live with that for the time being. Kind of push it from the bottom. Oh, they don't make that easy now, do they? You know, it says 26 millimeter on this. Is that I'm telling you how tall of battery you can have? If so, kind of like that. Huh. One doesn't look like the others. Next one. Alright, maybe I don't need to. Alright, so it wasn't DOA, I just needed to tighten up the servo saver. Okay. Hello, we're back. So, wife made dinner. I had to go eat. She made a double bacon cheeseburger for me. Okay. So what? I just had to do some adjusting and we're good? We don't need to swap out servos. Cool. Then we won't do that. Do 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 do. You know, I'll be completely honest with you. I miss smoking cigarettes. God, I miss smoking cigarettes. Something fierce. And I hope none of y'all smoke. And I know some of y'all do. And that's okay. I'm not going to preach to you. You know, whatever. There's far worse things you can put into your body than cigarettes. I mean, it'd be one thing if you could die within 10 years of daily use of cigarettes. But it doesn't look like you can. So if it takes 50 years to slowly kill me, you know, it's not that bad. However, it ain't 1998 where a pack of cigarettes is $1.98. Oh no, it was $2.47 I was paying back in 1998. I want to say. Cool. All right. So just head to the adjust the servo saver on the one. Cool. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in on that. Looks like we just had to adjust servo saver, and I didn't have to tear into it more than I thought I did. So, cool. And come to find out, I've got a spare TRX4 servo. Thanks. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And remember, I appreciate each and every one of you. Love y'all. Have a good one.